Here we are at the elevator H&M. I knew it was going to be a 330A.
You already know from here it's assumed a 330A?
Yeah. At Ridge Hill Mall. The brand new one. Brought to you by Samsung. That sounds sick.
It's a pretty sick sounding
Chime.
chime. Squeaky door too.
Oh look! Say hello to our friend, Mr. Security Camera.
Hey, what?
Yes?
Pretty dark in this town. Oh yeah. Look up and who do you see?
Hi!
Oh hi!
Oh nice, directly posted in the elevator. As we all know with Schindler's, the door close button does not work. Let's get a cab view. Big brother. That's it.